Everyone, I'm Jason Jarsper, and today I want to talk to you about the benefits of open house events. Open house events are most commonly done in the spring, but they're actually a valuable tool for real estate agents and homeowners alike any time of the year. They provide a unique opportunity for potential buyers to tour the property and get a real feel for the space. One of the main benefits of an open house event is the exposure that they provide. By hosting an open house, you can actually attract a larger pool of potential buyers and increase the chances of finding the right buyer quickly. Additionally, open houses can also help create a sense of urgency among buyers, as they may see other interested parties and feel motivated to make an offer sooner rather than later. Another benefit of an open house event is the feedback that you can gather from the attendees. It allows you to hear firsthand what people like or dislike about the property, which can be valuable information for making any necessary improvements or adjustments before listing the property. In conclusion, open house events offer a range of benefits, from an increased exposure, urgency among buyers, and valuable feedback. If you're a homeowner looking to sell your property, consider hosting an open house event to maximize the chances of success. If you'd like to take the marketing of your land, farm, or home to the next level, give us a call and we'll be happy to do a professional open house for you. Just give us a call at 270-982-2400 or visit us on the website at bluegrassrealtypros.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to speaking with you.